Let's bring in Eric Ham, our U.S. political analyst. He's been covering the story from the beginning here. And this is obviously a big day for Trump today, perhaps not in a good way. Stormy Daniels up on the stand. Eric, your takeaways so far?
Oh, not only is it very salacious in terms of the details that she is offering, but also we now know that Donald Trump is feverishly poking his lawyers, getting them to object to the testimony. Now, the judge has already shown some exasperation with some of the details that Stormy Daniels has been providing, but still, what we're seeing is Donald Trump is very stoic. Donald Trump doesn't want to hear this, and we see Donald Trump pushing his lawyers to continue to strenuously object to this. And we know that there was also a sidebar with the lawyers over Stormy Daniels' testimony so far.
Yeah, we know she's, I think it's fair to say that she really is, the biggest witness so far, Eric, getting into some of those details about an alleged affair after a golf tournament back in 2006. Why is this so potentially damaging for Trump here, Eric? What do you think?
Well, this is damaging because if you go back to the opening statement that Donald Trump's lawyers provided to this jury, they painted Donald Trump as this man who was a family man, someone who cared deeply about his family. And now we see how, through the storytelling of Stormy Daniels herself, how she went to Donald Trump's room expecting that they were going to dinner. And now she finds herself in this position where she is propositioned by Donald Trump in a way to have sex. And again, it goes counter to what we have already heard from the defense about who Donald Trump is. Now, already we have seen how the prosecution has been able to basically destroy that narrative of Donald Trump brick by brick with not only the testimony of how the actual hush money payments actually came to fruition, but now we're hearing it from the actual person herself, Stormy Daniels, and how this actual alleged sexual encounter actually occurred and how Donald Trump precipitated that encounter. And so this is all, I think, damaging, very damaging for the defense. And of course, we'll be watching eagerly and waiting to see how they're going to respond in their cross.
Yeah, I mean, Stormy Daniels even talking about whether Donald Trump used protection during their sexual encounter. I mean, that's how sort of deep dive we're getting here.
Yeah, you're right. And again, it's not something that the judge wants to hear in detail, but you have to imagine that the jury, who by all accounts have been extremely poised and engaged throughout this trial, are now hanging on every word that Stormy Daniels is providing.
Eric Ham, U.S. political analyst, as we follow the criminal trial of Donald Trump in New York today. Thank you, Eric.